Good morning. Welcome to my first Saturday vlog. Today we got my skincare. We have my facial today, and then it's gonna be a very easy, breezy Saturday. And yeah, let's gonna do my facial and probably start my hair. I'm doing a silk press this weekend, and what else? So just hang out with me. This is my first vlog. Be nice. Yeah, so gonna start my day. Just wake up. It's about, I don't know, 8 o'clock. It's usually on Saturday I like to stay in a little bit, but let's get this vlog started, should we? Today I'm meeting with a lady to give her the stuff that I bought with my ebook money, so she can she'll donate. I got some like toiletries kit for homeless people. I could only get 20 of them, but I'm gonna give it to her today so she can like distribute them to the homeless people. Just make me feel really good, you know, get to do something nice. So I'm not gonna do like a full like morning facial because I am going to get my facial done today. So that, yeah, we're gonna skip the full on like everything facial today. This one? My challenge today is to remember to close this vlog. We'll see. Going to do gonna do a silk press this weekend, so just gonna leave it like that because I'm just gonna do it later. Let's go downstairs. I don't leave it like that, but we don't want freak. clean like throughout the week, but this week I just but didn't take that long, so which is good. Let's go get coffee. You don't want to go downstairs? You want to stay in here?
Yes.
By yourself?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the box of stuff that I got for donation. It has like some lotion, shampoo, conditioner. It has toothpaste. There's a toothbrush over here, and then it has like some floss, and then like a shower cap and deodorant. I think this was a good deal for like $10. They were $10 each. So that's that. All right, so I was only able to get 20 of them. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's something. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna drop it off later today. What is this? What is this? Okay, so yeah, I forgot I was vlogging and I did not record anything after that. I completely forgot, but I drop off the donation and then I get my facial and then I get home late at night. I did my hair and I did my silk press. Was so proud of myself. I was just showing here how my silk press turned out. I didn't know what to do with myself. I love it so much. But yeah, that's all I did for the day, and I hope you like this vlog. I am going to try my best to keep up with it every Saturday, but I will see you next time. Bye.